Voyager's 2 spacecraft were almost same, although they were on many routes. Voyager 2 was the one decided to participate in the Grand Tour, which entailed passing Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and in Neptune after the expedition in 1989 changed into what is now known as the objective of the Voyager interstellar mission was intended to arrive in interstellar space as yet have sufficient authority on the spaceship to return information to NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft is located on Earth, speaking with ground control once again after going 5 minutes without saying anything. Launched more than 46 years ago, another discovery found by Voyager 1. Revolutionary finding that has sent reverberations throughout the scientific community far away from our known worlds. Voyager's solar system has found enigmatic energy waves coming from our outside of the Kuiper belt that shed fresh insight into the dynamics of astronomical space and posing queries on the unidentified troops operating in 1977 the cosmic frontier was launched. The Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 twin spacecraft. The purpose of Voyager 2 was to investigate our solar system's outer planets, but they far outstripped their initial Voyager 1 mission parameters. Now the farthest away man-made something from Earth went through the heliopause, the line where the effect of the Sun starts an interstellar space and concludes in. Voyager 2 did the same in 2012 and in 2018, though the Kuiper belt is situated outside of Neptune's orbit, is a huge area covered with ice and dwarf planets that delineate the perimeter of the realm of the Sun before moving into the interplanetary medium past this. Is the Oort cloud is a fictitious round ice shell of things around the intergalactic abyss in the solar system beyond. As the travelers go on with their go across these uncharted areas, their tools have proven essential in solving the universe's riddles. However, the most recent discoveries have brought reveal the finding that is both fascinating and confusing. The shock in Voyager's detection of energy waves is unlike anything that has ever been documented. NASA claims that these energy waves, or the characteristics that define plasma oscillations, include abnormally high frequencies, and such oscillations intensities are usually brought on by disruptions in the heated ionized gas known as plasma is made of charged elements like electrons and lead. Scientist Dr. Linda Spangler explains about the Voyager mission. These waves of energy seem to be moving across the interstellar space media, but their nature and place of origin yet unknown. What's especially their ferocity is unexpected, and uniformity they're not chaotic and haphazard impulses but seem nearly structured. The detection was accomplished rhythmically. Employ the PWS subsystem of the Voyager plasma wave device for measuring electrons' density in space. When there are disruptions in, they produce the plasma oscillations that are detectable by the PWS and examine the factors that have caused these recent energy. Their sheer size is what separates the waves. According to experts, the waves stretch enormous distances, even hundreds of millions of kilometers. Their recurring nature points to a steady source and continuous, as opposed to the irregular outbursts of plus often seen close to stars or in high energy settings. The identification of these energy waves has generated heated discussion among scientists. Numerous theories have been put forward concerning elucidate their origin. One option is communication with the interstellar medium, which is not. It is empty and contains a thin gas mixture, dust as well as charged particles from this collides with the Sun's solar wind. They may produce turbulence in the material that appears like plasma waves, yet the consistency and severity of the identified waves point to a more intricate process at work. Another opportunity is far away. Sources of astrophysics like pulsars, dark holes, or even magnetars. These high energy is known to be emitted by things, particles, and radiation that might interfere with the interplanetary plaque. Another rationale that might be offered is the presence of unidentified cosmic, for example, buildings or phenomena. Large-scale magnetic fields or shock waves from space might produce significant fluctuations. Notwithstanding, the characteristics of these structures are still theoretical. The more absurd theory is that the waves might be produced signals from an sophisticated alien civilization, yet there isn't proof to back up this claim, but it hasn't been completely excluded from the identification of these pulses of energy have significant consequences on our comprehension of the cosmos. First, charting the waves in the interstellar medium might provide useful information on the density composition and actions of the via the examination of their traits that scientists may acquire insights on how space is structured beyond our knowledge of the solar system. Another topic is cosmic magnetic fields. Magnetic fields have a significant influence function and influencing the dynamics of the universe, from the development of galaxies to stars. If the waves are connected to evolution, they could provide magnetic disruptions, indications about the large-scale magnetic fields in the vicinity of our galaxy. Furthermore, the data may test plasma physics ideas. Is a basic field having uses that range from research on fusion energy for astrophysics, while the probability of these waves, their detection of being artificial, is poor, emphasizes how crucial it is to preserve keeping an open mind when looking for the continuation of alien intelligence. Interstellar space surveillance potential disclose more irregularities that are worth examining and evaluating. The energy waves present serious difficulties for Voyager devices. Despite their exceptional durability, were not created in our decades old for this kind of inquiry. Moreover, there are billions of spacecraft many kilometers distant. Providing data in real-time transmission is not feasible and may take more than 20 hours for Voyager's signal to arrive. Despite these restrictions, NASA is devoted to researching the phenomena. Sophisticated computer simulations and models are being created to decipher the data, in addition to other objectives, like the next interstellar spacecraft, may provide corroborating remarks in. NASA has also urged for the future to worldwide cooperation with international scientists combining resources and knowledge to interpret the interstellar contrast conditions space, improving our comprehension of the area. In addition to the scientific, the importance of the Voyager missions also a natural feeling of all that coincides with these findings as the spaceships go further into their devices have recorded the universe information about a range of phenomena, including as cosmic radiation composition, the magnetic field presence, and increased rec. Lately, the identification of these enigmatic energy waves, the notion that we are getting indications from sources outside of recognized limits of the solar system, gives a sense of mystery and enthusiasm. For the Voyager mission, the Voyager's detection of energy waves serves reminding us that our investigation into these waves are far from complete. In space symbolize a phenomena that researchers are just starting to comprehend, and their ramifications can be extensive. The potential for these energy waves, too, could be connected to recently discovered cosmic phenomena or structures have prompted scientists to reconsider how astrophysics is approached. If these indeed waves are the outcome of interstellar large-scale magnetic fields, shock waves, or other previously in sources, they might provide a peek into the intricate relationships of space outside beyond our direct grasp, the information obtained by the spaceship Voyager. Perhaps someday it will help to address some of the most important questions about the nature of the cosmos, including the actions of deep space plasma, the function of magnetic fields in space, and even the potential for identifying alien societies. But the belief that these waves are man-made, it seems improbable that it talks to the persistent attraction of humanity with the unaware of the notion that these messages may be a communication from an advanced civilization has long seized the scientists in both the general public, and proof that indicates these waves are anything that isn't a natural occurrence. The potentiality of such a finding expresses the depths of human interest and the need to discover what is outside of our world. As researchers keep researching these waves, the hope chances that they could find new insights into the basic mechanisms as the Voyager spacecraft continue their expedition into interstellar space, and their findings will keep developing our comprehension of space. These spaceships that were originally supposed to just go to the outer planets are now representatives of human curiosity who are carrying with them the aspirations and hopes of generations both past and future. With each the Voyager mission's latest finding the limits of what we are capable of providing, giving us a view of the wide and the mysterious cosmos that exists outside of solar system, and as future human endeavors its quest for solutions to some of the serious inquiries concerning the Voyager spacecraft's existence, as evidence of the unwavering spirit of investigation and the want to comprehend the secrets of the universe. Observe these energy waves are more than simply a curiosity. In science, they are a lighthouse of the uncharted territories. When Voyager moves further away from Earth's findings becoming more and more crucial in assisting us to recognize the intricacy and breadth of the cosmos. If these waves are brought forth by natural processes or serve as a recent finding in astrophysics, discovery has ushered forth a new phase in interstellar space research. Using every year that goes by, the Voyager spacecraft keep creating history, and every time they make a new finding us one step further to figuring out the secrets of the universe.